Feel It Real, by Denise Coates. Chapter 10. The Vibrational Power of Love and Appreciation. God has poured out His love into our hearts. Romans 5:5. It's been said, love is the answer. But what is the question? Why, throughout human history, has love been touted as the all and end all? Romantic love, brotherly love, maternal love, platonic love, forbidden love, love of art, or a hobby. Or a sport, instinctual love, spiritual love, chivalrous love, love of God, natural love, love. Love. What is it about those four letters, and the vibrations they summon? For starters, love is the highest frequency from which we can vibrate. It is the closest we can become to pure spirit. Love is who and what we are. When we choose to love, we are none ourselves, with a capital O. When we choose not to love, we are like actors in a play, pretending to be other characters. Love and similar vibrations of appreciation, compassion, tenderness, kindness, generosity, and nurturance raise our frequencies to blissful levels because those vibrations are the most natural to us as spiritual beings. Here is a game to determine how quickly love and appreciation can lift our frequencies. Play this with me to switch your focus in the blink of an eye from feeling lousy to feeling grand. Right now, think of 3 things in your life that aren't going well and list them. Example: 3 things that aren't going well in my life. 1. My career as a singer. 2. I am lonely and want a mate. 3. I need money. Your turn. 3 things that aren't going well in my life. 1. Write it down. 2. Write it down. 3. Write it down. Notice how this makes you feel. Pretty lousy, right? Your frequencies are feeling pretty low right now, aren't they? Do you feel like you could feel down for the rest of the day? Now try this. List 3 things that are going wonderfully in your life, things you love and appreciate. Example: 3 things that I love and appreciate in my life. 1. My children love me unconditionally. 2. I live in a great house. 3. My parents are really kind to me. 3 things that I love and appreciate in my life. 1. Write it down. 2. Write it down. 3. Write it down. Did you notice a change in the way you feel? Miraculous, isn't it? Now let's do it even more quickly, to show how love changes your frequency. List 1 thing about your life you don't like. I don't like. Write it down. Now, list 1 thing about your life you love. I love. Write it down. Now, do it even faster. Another thing about my life I don't like is. I don't like. Write it down. Another thing about my life I love. I love. Write it down. Do it again. Another thing I don't like about my life is. I don't like. Write it down. Another thing about my life I love. I love. Write it down. Can you see how quickly the vibration of love changes the way you feel? Did you feel the difference emotionally? How about physically? Changing your focus to love caused your vibration to raise, and you to feel better. In every moment of every day, you can feel better and attract more love to you, if you decide to focus on love. There are infinite opportunities to turn your attention toward love and appreciation. It's your choice. So much is wonderful in this world, and in your life. Several years ago, I visited a friend, a mother with a 3-month-old child. Everything was joyful, and everyone was emanating well-being. I had a huge grin on my face when I left. The baby was vibrating at love so strongly that he uplifted everyone around him. When I arrived home, my father was watching the news, which focused on a possible terrorist attack in the United States. I suddenly went from feeling a perfect sense of peace to uneasiness. Choosing to use my law of attraction skills, I remembered the baby's face and laughter. Suddenly, by tuning my signal to the vibration of love and appreciation, I felt the love again. I turned away from the newscast and walked outside to smell some flowers. I focused on their beautiful fragrance and color. I remained in love. It is empowering to know you are in the driver's seat of your life. You can decide to focus on love or fear. The flowers or the weeds, the dog or the dog poop. It's all up to you. Remember, changing your vibration to love is just as easy as changing your focus.